Welcome to Fischer Park at Port Royal Road. Fischer Park is Spring Hill, Tennessee's largest park. It's located on over 30 acres right off of Port Royal Road. It is loaded with fun things to do for everybody of all ages. So come on, let's go check it out. All right, the first amenity that I want to show you guys is this amazing ADA compliant playground right here behind me. This playground has artificial turf, there are swings, there are slides, there's picnic tables over there with umbrellas for all the parents to hang out at. It is truly an amazing playground, and it is not uncommon for it to be packed with kids on beautiful days. We all know that it can get really hot and sticky here in the summer in Spring Hill. But have no fear, because here at Fischer Park, they have this amazing splash pad that's right here behind me. This is such a great place for the kids to come during the summer and just have fun and cool off. It gives the parents a little time to sit down and maybe read a book and relax while their kids are just having an absolute blast at this splash pad right here behind me. All right, so let's talk about kids' sports. Fischer Park has 3 football fields and then a ton of different soccer fields for kids of all ages. If you come here on a Saturday or Sunday, it is not uncommon for the parking lot to be filled and for there to be kids playing soccer or football everywhere. They usually do flag football here. They also have tackle football. They've got different soccer leagues that play here. It is just such a fun place. My kids have personally played in leagues that play here and practice here, and they absolutely love it. It's in a really convenient location. There are over 400 parking spots here, so it's usually easy to find a spot. It's just a great place for kids, especially when it comes to sports. All right, so maybe playing on a playground or at a splash pad isn't your thing. That's cool. Don't worry about it. They've got more adult-oriented activities here at Fischer Park. Right here behind me, they have 2 tennis courts and 4 basketball hoops. And the really cool thing is it's surrounded by this fence right here, so you don't have to worry about your ball flying off and going into the woods or anything like that. Oh, and I forgot to mention, they also have a concession stand. It is loaded with all different types of snacks and drinks. They've got hamburgers and hot dogs. It's just really cool to be able to take your kids to a game and then come here and grab them a snack or lunch afterwards before you head home. And you know what they also have? A 9-hole disc golf course. How cool is that? Another really great amenity here at the park is this walking path right here behind me. This walking path actually goes around the perimeter of the entire park. So if you're somebody that just wants to get out and go for a walk and get a little bit of exercise, this is a really great place to do it. My wife and I really love it because when we bring our kids here to go to practice, we can drop them off, and instead of sitting on our butts and being lazy in the car or in a chair, we can walk around this path and get a little bit of exercise while they're practicing. It's really cool. I am so thankful that they have this here at Fischer Park. Hey everybody, I thought it was really important just for me to quickly talk about why this park is named Fischer Park. It is actually dedicated to the memory of Kevin Fischer. Kevin Fischer served for 15 years as the director of the Spring Hill Parks and Recreational Department. And I think he did a phenomenal job and was well loved in the community. And I just wanted to make sure everyone knew that is why it is called Fischer Park. All right, y'all. So this concludes my tour of Fischer Park here in Spring Hill. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Spring Hill does in fact have other parks, but I just thought that this was the most special park in Spring Hill. So that's why I wanted to show it to you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. It is just such a phenomenal park. I highly suggest you check it out when you come to Spring Hill.